Birds are synonymous with the onset of spring, and you can celebrate the season, without dipping into your wallet, with a visit to Tommy Thompson Park. The annual Spring Bird Festival takes place on May 9, 2020 and celebrates International Migratory Bird Day. Tommy Thompson Park is not only one of the city's best green spaces, it's also an important stopover for migratory birds. The festival gives you a chance to learn more about some of your favorite feathered friends and involves all sorts of educational activities. Sign up for a Birding 101 workshop, go for a guided birding walk, and take part in conservation activities for both kids and adults.